Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can enable dark mode on Android phone. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone, and if we want to enable dark mode on Android, the first thing we're going to do is click on settings app or open the settings app on our phone. Then we're going to scroll down until we find display option, and it's right here guys. Just tap on it. And if you want to enable dark mode, you can simply click on this button and the dark mode will be applied to your Android. And actually there is another way to activate or enable the dark mode. We can simply go to our notification panel like this. Then we can click on this button. So we can click on this button to activate the dark mode. Just tap on it, and right after you tap the button, the dark mode will be applied to your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable dark mode on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.